Now, trouble mounts for the former Chief Minister. We are talking about B.S. Yediyurappa. Bengaluru court on Thursday issued summons to the former Chief Minister to appear before it on the 15th of this month in connection with the Pocso Act case filed against him. The Criminal Investigation Department had filed a charge sheet against the BJP leader at the fast-track court for the Pocso Act cases on the 27th of last month. Now, as per the charge, Mr. Yediyurappa, in collusion with other three accused, has been charged. The other accused faced charges of colluding with Mr. Yediyurappa to hush up the case under IPC sections 204 and 214. The charge sheet mentions that the complainant had gone to Mr. Yediyurappa's residence on the 2nd of February this year to seek his help regarding a sexual assault case against her daughter, and that is when Mr. Yediyurappa allegedly assaulted the 17-year-old. To get more on this, we have Pratibha joining us. Pratibha, take us through what is really expected and the turn this case has taken, considering that it is Mr. Yediyurappa who has now been asked to appear before the court on the 15th of this month.
Like you said, this is setback for Mr. Yediyurappa, no doubt, but you have to look at it in three different ways. One is the fact that, yes, the charge sheet has been filed last week, and based on which the Pocso court has taken cognizance of this and allowed the prosecution to issue summons to Mr. Yediyurappa on the 15th of July. And on the other hand, we also have two cases at the Karnataka High Court. One is the protection from arrest that has been granted to Mr. Yediyurappa, which continues till next week, and there has been time that has been given to prosecution to file its objections there. We'll have to wait to see the outcome of that. And the third would also be Mr. Yediyurappa moving the Karnataka High Court to quash this Pocso case that has been registered against him. Now, Yediyurappa is definitely looking at some legal recourse so that he would gain some, ultimately heave a sigh of relief with respect to this. But whether or not that will happen is something that needs to be closely watched. But in the meantime, we need to see some of the details that have emerged from the charge sheet. Yes, Mr. Yediyurappa has been charged under Section 8 of the Pocso Act, and on the other, we also have two others who've been charged along with him with respect to the IPC sections that you've already mentioned, which means that the two of them, at the behest of Yediyurappa, have gone on to influence the complainant and also try to destroy the evidence in the form of the video evidence on her mobile phone, and also offered her rupees 2 lakh. And this is something that has emerged from the charge sheet. So based on these details, the court has now granted permission for issuing summons. Whether this will amount to arrest, whether this will amount to more trouble, is something that needs to be watched. And at the same time, to look at Mr. Yediyurappa now banking on some kind of a legal reprieve, and whether that will happen or not. All of this will have its answers next week. Back to you.
Right, Pratibha, we will keep coming back to you for more on that. So trouble mounts as far as the former Chief Minister is concerned, who will be appearing in court on the 15th of July.